we guide you through how to reset your iPhone to factory settings. So the first thing you need to do is to open your settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Erase All Content and Settings. Before you continue, make sure your data is backed up using your iCloud or iTunes to avoid losing important files, photos, or contacts. Tap Continue, enter your passcode if prompted, and confirm by tapping Erase iPhone. If Find My iPhone is enabled, you'll need to enter your Apple ID password to proceed. After that, your device will begin the reset process, which may take a few minutes. Once done, your iPhone will restart and show the hello screen just like a brand new device. From there, you can set up as new or restore from a backup. This method works for all iPhone models including iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, and newer. It's useful if you're selling your phone, fixing software issues, or starting fresh. Just remember, once erased, there's no way to recover data without a backup, so double check everything before confirming the rest.